Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we're still here. Second hurricane in like 6 or 8 weeks. This one wasn't too bad. Sometimes hurricanes can be really bad, like the one 6 weeks ago was really bad. And this time we didn't see too much in the way of winds. A lot of rain, not too much in the way of winds. Let me see if I can go over here. We've got a picture of the track. Yeah, there's the track. It's the red one, Nicole. And it came in, it was only a hurricane category 1 when it came into Florida. And the path was almost exactly like they predicted. We were concerned late at night when it was coming across the state that it might come down here, the Tampa Bay area where we live. We only saw maximum gust of wind was about 45 miles an hour, and that was just a gust. Typically the winds at the highest point was in the low 30s, which is not too bad for us. We do have a big mess in the front yard because our trees in the front yard, which we have a lot of them, are old and they have a lot of dead branches, and when we get winds like this, all the branches break off. And plus, our main tree in the front that has these orange blossoms, they had not fallen yet for the season, and now they're all over the front yard. Big mess to clean up. So we are very thankful though that we didn't have any damage. I didn't even take any antennas down because of the prediction that the winds would not be that high. It was such a nuisance to take the antennas down before and put them back up. I have to get somebody to help me put them back up. So we left them up, and as far as I know, everything looks okay. I haven't tested them all, but I think they're all going to be functional. And we have really fallen behind this year. We've got so many things we want to do videos on. We've got some more radios from Jeff we want to show you, some really cool radios. I got in yesterday a brand new over-the-air TV antenna, and I did a quick test, and it looks like it's a super duper antenna for inside use or outside. And I just got some more shortwave tips. I want to do some shows on those. And around my shop, I got so much catching up to do. I've got radios that I need to move around, see if they still work. I need to get rid of some radios. I'm hoping I can give some to Jeff. I've got some big boat anchors that just, they're huge. They weigh like 50 pounds. I can't move them to put them somewhere I can use them, so I just need to get rid of them. And we'll see if Jeff will take them. I don't know if he will or not. But anyway, we're here. We're still kicking. Thanks for inquiring, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.